So here's a little routine about how I style my hair from wet to dry. So I just want to show you the difference between brushing your hair upwards and downwards. So if you brush through your hair when it's wet, if you brush it up from the roots, you can see that all the roots sit nice and high. And on the side where I've brushed it down, you can see that if my curls were to dry like that, they'd dry really flat to my head. So I just want to brush all of the roots upwards, just so all of my curls have lots of volume. So next I'm going to use a little bit of curl cream. This is the Boucleme curl cream. And I'm just going to apply it using prayer hands. By using this method, I'm encouraging all my hair to clump together. It'll just make each curl nice and thick and bouncy. So next I'm going to use a gel. This one is by Bourne Beautiful Naturals. Now I think gel is the most important stage in any kind of wavy or curly styling routine because it forms a cast around the hair and it just helps all of the curls to dry in a nice crisp shape, which means all of your curls stay really well defined as they're drying. So I scrunch this product in because I just want to coat the outside of the curls with the product. And once that's in, I'm going to use my Dyson hairdryer on a medium heat and a medium speed, and I just want to dry the hair off as much as possible without actually touching it. So the more you touch curls as they're drying, the frizzier they're going to get. So I'm just going to try and dry all the roots off, and I want to get it to kind of about 80% dry. I'm just using my fingers here to lift my roots up a little bit, but really you don't want to touch your hair very much at all. So once it feels about 80% dry, that's when you can go in and scrunch the hair slightly with the diffuser. I still don't really want to disturb the curls too much, so I just hold the hairdryer on each section for as long as possible, as long as it's needed, and just go around and just do each section until it's dry. So you can see once it's dry, because of the gel, it's formed a kind of crispy curl, and this means that it's time to scrunch the crunch. So at this point you just want to go around and scrunch your hair, and what it'll do, it'll just break all the cast around each curl that's been formed by the gel, and it'll bring all of your curls back to life. So all of that crispy gel that you saw earlier will just completely disappear and you'll be left with soft, bouncy curls. I hope you found this video useful. I will put all of the products that I've used in the description below.